Hi everyone and welcome to this little video. If you're new to my channel, I am Shannagh-leigh, a watercolour pencil artist, and I do work in a couple of different mediums, but most of my content is heavily focused around watercolour pencils. I chose these because I absolutely love how they layer and how they blend and how you can cover large amounts of area with these pencils, which makes them perfect for backgrounds and doing pet portraits in my opinion. And I just wanted to make this video to let you know that I'll be launching a Patreon website. So if you don't already know, Patreon is a subscription-based service where artists can supply exclusive content for a monthly fee. And there are 4 different tiers of my Patreon service. So the first one is a supporting role. This one you can see behind the scenes footage and there's an exclusive discount code for my shop. Secondly, we have the learner tiers. So these range from content such as small focus tutorials where I talk about specific subjects or technique. The third includes real-time videos or full portraits and backgrounds. And the final one offers one-to-one feedback, critique and personal goals to you. There are lots of different options available to suit your preference. And what exactly can you expect from me? The goal of my Patreon is to teach watercolour pencil animal art with all sorts of different backgrounds. I currently have available a colour theory series at the moment consisting of 3 videos from explaining colour theory all the way to applying it to pet portraiture, with the goal to expand this course slowly in the future. Other courses that I'm planning, due to popular demand, is a series of focus tutorials fixating on backgrounds, lots of different textures, techniques and types, and more videos to look forward to are full-length walkthroughs with backgrounds ranging in a different intricacy, and I'm really excited about both series I have so far, and there are so many that I've already planned to do in the future. So if you think that this is something that would interest you, my Patreon will be launching from April 3rd, but not the 1st, so please keep an eye out for that. I hope to see you there, and in the meantime, if you have any questions, comments or concerns, please feel free to contact me, and thank you so much for watching.